Yes! Ride number 3 for the Great Cycle Challenge is underway. And I'm not sure where we're going, but we're going. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Every one of them means a ton to me. You literally have no idea. You got some energy. Can I have some? I'll take it all. Just finished packing up the bike to head out on a ride. I get a text message from Trek saying that my adapter has arrived for my panwars, bags, whatever the hell you want to call them. I don't know, I don't care. They hold stuff, that's what they do. So instead of going that way, we're going that way. And we're gonna have a blast doing it. So maybe we can get some shots like this. I hope that looked cool, but I don't know if it did or not, so I guess we're gonna find out, right? But anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna see if we can film while we're in there, because I know they have to have permission for that stuff. So I'll see you here in a few. We are moving. We're hitting at least 20, 25 miles an hour right now. Hopefully you can even hear me. Probably about to get ready to get ran over here. But it's part of it. No, it's not part of it. It just happens. Especially in this city, because nobody likes cyclists or runners. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so here's what's going on. This crap right here was left by the city. Murfreesboro City, they always leave everything for everyone else to clean up so they don't have to pay somebody to do it. Anyways, we are at, let's do a mileage check here. I feel like we just got started, but we've been going fast. We've been going really, really fast. We're like 0.03 off of 6 miles. And we're gonna go that way. I think. I'm already pretty wore out. If I go that way, it's a guaranteed. If I come right back this way, it's gonna be guaranteed 12 miles right there. But if I continue it around, it's like 20 miles from here. So I'll figure it out here in a second. Give me a minute. I am officially in Murfreesboro rush hour traffic. So we're gonna try to stick to the sidewalks and just see where we get to. bit of attention. Holy. We're making some progress today. Last couple days actually, we've hit at least 15 miles every day. And this is day 3. Day 3 was 2 parts. There was a little bit done this morning. I did not film it. Right now we're at 9.65, but I'm gonna make sure we hit 11 by the end of this trip. That way the miles earlier and the miles today, or earlier and the miles now, bang over 15. We gotta do 50 miles a week, minimum. So I mean, before today, we were already at 33 miles. So today is gonna put us right there at the edge. I gotta push myself, and I'm so out of shape. Anyways, let's keep on rocking. I gotta slow down a little bit, try to get some energy back. We are about to hit our 15 miles on day 3. So a minimum of 15 miles every day. Hold on. Oh, shit. Okay. We're at 10.93. And I am so sore. And there it is. There's our 11 for the afternoon ride. And 4 for earlier. Making us 15, and we still probably got another mile to the house. So I want to go ahead and say thank you for watching the video this far. Make sure you like the video. Please comment, please subscribe, please like. If you subscribe, please turn on the bell so you always get notified when I post a video. Whew, I'm beat. So I'm just gonna tough it out, start working my way home, and we will see you on the next mile.